find the sine of the angle between the vectors A and B. Now vector A 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap. Vector B I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Now cross product between vector A and vector B, writing it in the determinant form. Now solving this one, I cap with negative of j cap plus k cap I cap minus 2j, sorry, positive of 2j cap plus k cap. Now modulus for cross product of A and B, 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, this is equal to square root for 6. Modulus for vector A, 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square, 9 plus 16 plus 25. Square root of 50, and this is equal to 5 root 2. And modulus of vector B, 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, this is equal to square root of 3. Now if theta be the angle between vector A and vector B, then sin theta is equal to vector A cross vector B upon magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B. Now this implies root 6 upon 5 root 2 times 5 root 3, this is 1 by 5. Hence sin theta is equal to 1 by 5. Answer.